Sometimes automatic sync and merge options do not work. Then I would prefer manual matching of the voiceover audio and video clips. Let's do it. Unlink audio from the original video and delete it. Record voiceover from this button or import the voiceover audio and bring it under video clips. Let's play it.
This is fish recipe. Oh no, this is meatballs recipe. Watch more recipes on Voiceover website.
As you notice, audio and video clips have some unwanted parts. So I will remove those unnecessary portions out of audio such as M's and oh no. Please use C and V keys on your keyboard for quickly selecting razor and selection tools. Similarly, remove unwanted parts from the video clips. Please note that this method does not change the speed of audio clips, but it either speeds up or slows down the video. To avoid excessive speed changes, the duration of video cutouts should be approximately the same as that of audio cutouts. You can zoom the timeline through the navigator or slider at the bottom. Now I will match this video clip with the first audio cutout. Right click on audio clip, select speed and duration tool, note down the duration of audio clip. It is 1 second and 21 frames in my case. Click cancel. So I will right click over the corresponding video clip and apply the same duration. Video and audio clips are now perfectly synced. But here is a problem. How would you sync audio and video when you do not want to split audio into several cutouts? Let's do it. Copy any part of audio, preferably from the center. Bring playhead at an empty place and paste it using Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now bring this audio clip to the lower layer and mute it. I will call it a test audio. Now drag and join the second video clip with the first one. Playback and match what is in the scene and what is being said in the voiceover audio. Pause it and bring the playhead at appropriate place. Now move the test audio to adjust its duration to match with the duration of voiceover clip. Right click on the test audio, select speed and duration and note the audio duration. Now right click on the video clip and apply the same duration to the video. The speed of the video clip will change to match with the audio clip. Now I will snap this last video clip with the video stream. To match it with the respective audio, I need the exact duration of the remaining part of voiceover audio. I will drag the test audio and release it when its start point snaps to match with the start point of video clip. Now match the last point of test audio with that of voiceover audio. Now right click test audio and note its duration. Apply the same duration to the video clip. The video clip will perfectly sync with the audio. Now delete the test audio. Thanks for liking and sharing this video. Watch more tutorials about Adobe Premiere Pro.